nasa TV, di ba? Magkakaroon ka talaga ng mga bashers, haters. Sino dito yung naka-experience na meron talagang nang babash sa kanila online or kahit personally? Taas kamay?
Oo, syempre.
Basher? Okay, lahat naman yata meron. Okay, so how did you guys handle it? Ano yung naging situation? Ano yung sinabi sa inyo? Ano yung ginawa sa inyo? Tsaka paano nyo siya hinandle? Sige, let's start with you.
Sa loob ng bahay naman, hindi mo alam kung sino yung super sikat sa labas, diba? So you don't know. Sa loob ng bahay, we're just being ourselves. Lahat ng housemates, we treat each other the same. So may certain instances na you get annoyed at someone or may issue kayo. Hindi ko alam na sa labas, the person that I had an issue with, I was super daming supporter. So yung supporters na, when I got out, were bashing me na parang, oy, bakit ka ganun kay ganito? Bakit mo sinabi yun, di ba? Why, what makes you say that you can say that? Sabi ko, I didn't know naman na masama yung sinasabi ko. I was just being myself at ngayon binabas nila ako for being not so nice to that person. Ganun. Yun.
Okay, so you handled it pretty well.
I read it, I understand them kasi they're there to support one of the housemates who is a very good friend of mine.
Alright.
So, yun.
Axel?
Nagkaroon ako siguro ng bashers dahil sa love team. So, syempre sa bahay ni Kuya, lahat naman ng pumapasok dyan, doon nagsisimula yung pagkaka-love team ka. Tapos doon dadaming supporters mo. And of course, kung meron silang gusto ako gusto nila, tapos for someone, tapos yung someone na yun na hindi ko na kakausap or hindi kami nagkatuluyan. But then parang I showed her